Introduction to Programming, Program C, Unit Wise, Question and Answers, Unit 1. Introduction to Computers, Introduction to the C language, Structure of a C program, Computer System, Computer Hardware, Computer Software, Computing Environments, Types of Computing Environments. 1. Personal Computing Environment. 2nd one, Time Sharing Environment. 3rd one, Client Service Computing Environment. 4th one, Distributed Computing. Computer Languages. First one, Mission Languages. Second one, Symbolic Languages. Third one, High Level Languages. Creating and running programs. Step 1, creating source code. Step 2, compile source code, Alt plus 9, F9. Step 3, executing and running executable file, Control plus F9. Step 4, check result, Alt plus F5. Execution process of C program. Computer numbering system. Decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, storing integers, storing integers, real numbers. Introduction to C language. Basic structure of C language. Documentation section, linking section, definition section, global declaration section, main function section, subprogram over or function section. Simple C program. Identifiers, data type, basic data types, derived data types, pointer data types, variables, constructs, character constructs, input and output statements. scope, local variables, global variables, storage classes. The auto storage class, the register storage class, the static storage class, the external storage class. Type qualifiers. Types of C type qualifiers. ఒకటి కాన్స్టెంట్ కీవర్డ్, volatile keyword. Tips and common programming errors. Expressions, evolution of expressions, precedence and associativity. Side effects of C. Implicit typecasting, explicit typecasting, simple program, prime number program in C. Prime number program in C. Command line arguments,